Hello. Today we're talking about when to stop, look, and listen. And this is in regards to decluttering. When we declutter, sometimes it's overwhelming and we just all we see is the clutter that we have to do. But what I'd like you to do is really concentrate on decluttering for 15 minutes. Really be there, really make tough decisions. You're going to feel so much better when you do. And then stop. Look around. Look at that space that you've created. Look at the other spaces you may have recently created. And then I want you to rest. I want you to go outside and stop and look and listen to all the beauty around you and all the harmony around you. And in nature, there's not really clutter. It's very beautiful. All the trees are together, all the water's together, etc. So stop, look, and listen.